Hi, it's Anthony from carplaylife.com, and today we're looking at the Kyvol Cybovac E31 robot vacuum cleaner and mop. This is a mid-range 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop that has a few features that can be found in more premium robot vacuums selling today. In the box, you get the Kyvol E31 robot vacuum itself. You get a remote control to operate it and a pair of batteries to power it. You get a pair of rotating brushes, and you get one spare and a cleaning tool to maintain them. It comes with its own power adapter and charging base. For its mopping function, there is a separate mopping container, a spare mopping pad and filter. There are a pair of owner's manuals. You also get a no-go magnetic tape strip that you can cut, and also some adhesives to stick it down onto the floor. Setting up the E31 is very simple. You first find a suitable location for the charging base that's near a power socket, then connect it to a wall power adapter and plug it in. You then place the robot onto the charging base to charge it fully before it's first clean. Whilst it's charging, you can connect it to your home Wi-Fi and download the Kyvol app to connect to it. From the app, you can operate all the vacuum smart functions, from choosing a mode and starting a clean, selecting various suction modes and setting up a schedule. You can also view the progress of the clean in the app, and you can also monitor the status of its brushes and filter and when they might be due to be cleaned or replaced. The E31 comes with a small infrared remote control that you can operate the vacuum without the need to connect it to your home Wi-Fi. From the remote, you can also select and start cleaning modes and change suction strength. Being an infrared remote control, you need to be near the vacuum to operate it instead of using a low wave radio or Bluetooth. All the other functions can be set on the remote, but using the app is a much better experience that also provides you feedback on the performance of the vacuum. To start the vacuum, you can either press the button on the vacuum itself, selecting clean in the app, or pressing the play button on the remote. With a beep, the E31 springs into life, exiting the dock, and it begins to navigate around and vacuum your home. The E31 also uses a gyropic-navigation method of getting around. This method is a little dumb when you compare it to the more expensive and sophisticated robot vacuum cleaners that are out there today. Rather than bouncing off each surface around your home, it will navigate in straight lines, turning 180 degrees, and it then repeats this process until it hits another surface. Solid objects or walls are only encountered until they are bumped into, and real-time mapping of your home is only done by what it bumps into, rather than using more sophisticated technologies such as LIDAR that are found in more premium vacuums. The E31 carries 3 cleaning modes. The first is the standard cleaning process of cleaning the entire floor space of your home. The second is edge mode, which basically means it will clean only around the edges of your home. Personally, I don't know what the advantages of cleaning just the edges of your house is, but the option is there should you need it. Finally, there is a spot mode, which will clean a square area of your home where you place the vacuum. This is also to handle small dirt spots or spillages that you'd like to clean rather than cleaning the entire home. Whilst the vacuum is cleaning, you can interrupt its process by pausing, stopping, or commanding the E31 to return to its docking station. The E31 will also return to the docking station if it thinks it will run out of charge, and resume cleaning once it has been fully charged. With the app, you can select from its 3 levels of suction. It features a maximum suction of 2,200 PA, which is powerful enough to suck up general dust, food crumbs, pet hair off the floor. The E31 can also be used on both carpet and solid floor, and it can tackle raised rugs and doormats around your home too, thanks to its lightweight size and powerful driving wheels. The app will give you a real-time view of where it has cleaned in your house. Without LIDAR to accurately map your room, it is a lightweight example of where it has been in your home. It also shows patches of your home where it may have not vacuumed, so that is one advantage over some of the cheaper vacuums out there. But it is no match to LIDAR equipped robot vacuums. The app and remote also gives you the opportunity to set a schedule for the vacuum. You can choose to set the day and time and the week to commence the vacuuming, which can be handy if you're regularly out of the house and you wish the vacuum to clean your home whilst you're away. If you have a small home assistant, such as an Amazon Alexa device, you can command the vacuum to clean your home by simply telling Alexa to do so. The battery in the vacuum seems a little bit small. After an hour of cleaning at maximum power for 69 square meters, its battery showed that it had about 29% remaining. This performance is okay for a small home up to about 80 square meters, but anything larger, the vacuum will likely require multiple charges, which will end up resulting in a much longer cleaning time. Its attached dust compartment slides into the back of the vacuum, and it's a generous size, but unfortunately, like the Eufy G10 vacuum that I reviewed previously, the compartment opens quite awkwardly, which can result in spilling its contents around the trash bin once you've opened it. To turn the E31 into mopping mode, you need to swap out the dust compartment for the 300ml mopping container and pad. Before you do that though, you first need to fill the compartment with water, then carefully attach it to the bottom of the vacuum. Once this is done, you can start the clean, and the water from the container will keep the mopping pad moist as it moves around your home. Unfortunately, there is no rug or carpet detection on this vacuum, so all surfaces will get the mop treatment unless you mark off these areas with the no-go magnetic tape. Personally, I find hybrid mops like the E31 a little bit disappointing. These hybrid vacuums rarely carry the technology it needs to properly mop your floors, whilst detecting areas in the home where it doesn't need to go. The wet pad at the bottom simply drags itself around your home, so don't get an idea that it will deep clean or scrub your hard floors. The Kyvol E31 retails for $299 or £279 from Amazon, and you can check out the links below. It packs a wealth of features and dual functionality, but if you're paying this much for a robot vacuum, there are more equipped robot vacuums out there with features such as LIDAR if you're after just the cleaning functionality. Personally, I would choose a vacuum that comes without the mediocre mopping functionality. Save yourself about $50 and go for the E30 model instead. Or pay the same price or a little more and buy a vacuum that's equipped with LIDAR. It'll really help you out more. Alright, thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If it has, give us a like and consider subscribing to all of my future content, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers, bye.